In our proposal, we would be discussing a problem that we think is one of the biggest problems we have in our society today, and that is to stop using plastic for your drinking water and turn to using fill-up stations. We will next start discussing how we will fix this problem and what steps we will take to fix this problem. We will next list the items that we need before we can put these stations up, and then lastly, we will discuss the budget we have and start scheduling when things will start being put in.
To achieve the goal that my partner and I thought of that consists of putting more refill stations up around campus, and the price of this will be about $3,400 per unit that we would like to have put up. The unit plus the labor that has to be done is estimated at about the unit price plus an extra $300 for the labor. So our budget will be $11,100. This would solve many problems around campus like the plastic being bad for our health and also will eliminate a lot of waste. This task will only take about 3 hours to just assemble all the units.
Plastic bottles from water bottles have been a huge issue all around the world and is affecting us a good amount. People are getting discovered for diseases caused by the plastic, and it is happening quite often. There are also a big waste of our resources because only about 9% of things that are supposed to get recycled actually do. By having these refill stations around campus, it would eliminate the reason for people to carry around plastic water bottles and also might encourage people to stop using the plastic bottles. We believe that by putting these up around our campus will be a good start to having them all over the place. I do not think it is possible to get rid of all plastic bottles, but this would certainly decrease the usage of plastic bottles.
There are many objectives that we hope to accomplish to get to our goal of putting these refill stations up around campus. We will call a supplier of these refill stations and we will schedule a time with them for them to come to the school and put these units in. Once these units are put in, then there will not need to be service on these units, nor will they have to be taken care of special. These are units that require a one-time effort, then they just keep operating.
Ready? To achieve putting these units in, we will first need to call different places and see the different prices between different units. We believe that our school should invest in the ones that are the most durable so that they will last longer and they will also make sure we get our money's worth. We will call different places and compare prices of the units and the price they cost to come and assemble these units. We will at least call 3 different places so we know where we are getting the best deal. Once we know we are getting the best deal, then we will have them come and install them.
We know that we have solved a large problem on our campus when we see students walking around with refillable water bottles rather than plastic bottles. We can measure that this process is working by looking into trash cans or around campus. We can search trash cans and recycling boxes for plastic bottles before and after the installation of these stations to see the exact change we have given our school.